Welcome to Pharma for You. In this video we give you some knowledge about the research and research methodology and about how to write the articles. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. What is research? Research is creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of humans, culture and society, and the use of the stock of knowledge to devise new applications. There are three basic terminologies which are used in research: discovery, invention and innovation. All these three terminologies has some different explanation. What is discovery? Discovery means the act of finding or learning something for the first time or to finding new thing. For example, Sir Isaac Newton discovered the gravity and gives explanation about the gravity. This is known as discovery. What is invention? Invention is something such as a device or process that has been created or made up, or the process of creating or making up something or figuring out a way to do something. For example, Alexander Graham invented the Graham bell. What is innovation? Innovation in its modern meaning is a new idea, creative thoughts, new imaginations in form of device or method. Innovation is often also viewed as the application of better solutions that meet new requirements, unarticulated needs, or existing market needs. For example, the Graham bell is further innovate into a modern smartphone. Types of research. 1. Applied research. Applied research means a scientific study to solve practical problems. 2. Historical research. Historical research studies the meaning of past events in an attempt to interpret the facts and explain the cause of events, and their effect in the present events. 3. Correlational research, a statistical study of relationship of variables. 4. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is a scientific method of observation to gather non-numerical data. This type of research refers to the meanings, concepts, definitions, characteristics, metaphors, symbols, and description of things, and not to their counts or measures. 5. Quantitative research. Quantitative research is defined as the systematic investigation of phenomena by gathering quantifiable data and performing statistical, mathematical or computational techniques. How to write research paper. Few important points give you information about how you can write research paper. Number 1. Choose any topic which you want to write a research article. Means the topic of research article is same as you done your research work. Number 2. Collect all the literature review articles and research articles. Number 3. Choose references style. Vancouver style is commonly used. This are few key points. In next slide we show you the sequencing of paragraphs which you write in your article. In this slides there is the outline for research article. Name of topic, name of student, email, address, this all for the first page. Now first write the abstract. Abstract means the short information about your complete research work. Then comes the introduction. In introduction write the intro of your research work. Then use graphical, diagrammatic, flow charts which helps to make easy to understand your research work. Then classification comes. Then material and methods. In this segment you show your complete information about what material are used to perform the research and which method is used to done your research. Then you show your research data, means describe your all results in this point. Then conclusion, and in the end the references comes. How to choose journal for your publication. Selection of journal is the main criteria. If you publish your research article in the popular or good journal, then your article is become more popular and more used as references in other articles. To select the journal, I will tell you some key points. Number 1. Journal must having 7 to 8 regular issues. Number 2. Journal having index in Scopus Thomson router. Number 3, journal must have good impact factor. Number 4, journal must be approved by UGC and having ISSN. There is a note: in your research article only 10% plagiarism allowed. There is some software which are used by the article publishers which is used to find or to detect the plagiarism, like Plagiarism Checker X, Turnitin, Seal. If the plagiarism is detected more than 10%, your article is rejected. To remove the plagiarism from your research paper, there is some important points you have to remember. Number 1, use more substitute or synonyms of words to decrease the plagiarism. Number 2, use your own language to write your article, means write your own article in your own typing language. How to submit your article to journal. Go to the website of the journal and create the account and then sign in your account on website. Then submit your paper to website and get the paper ID from it. When your article is submitted successfully, you get the email. Now I will tell you how paper publication process has happened. Once you complete your research article and then you submit the article to journal. After that, the research article which you submitted to the journal has been reviewed and also checks the plagiarism. After that, the decision is taken that this article has less plagiarism and no mistakes, then it is accepted, or if the requirements of the journal is not fulfilled, then it is rejected. Once your article is accepted, then Journal Editorial Board decides the issue to publish your article. This is all about the research and research article. If you like this video, then smash the like button and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And for more information you can visit to our website www.pharma4u.in. Thanks for watching.